Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Daily Post brings another very interesting content about electric arc furnace. This video will reveal some basic integral system necessary for the operation of electric arc furnace. This informative video will help you to learn about heat operation and basics of working. If you are watching first time, please must watch my previous videos about electric arc furnace and induction furnace. Please subscribe the channel to get more videos. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn. To gain a better perspective of the importance of various systems in the electric arc furnace operation, it is good to evaluate the function of the electric arc furnace by following systems: mechanical system, hydraulic system, water cooling system, lubrication system. Mechanical system. Mechanical systems are integral to the operation of the electrical arc furnace, and many are interrelated. The electric arc furnace has several primary functions: containment of steel scrap, heating and melting of steel scrap, transfer of molten steel to the next processing stage. It is easy to see that the first function, scrap containment. Scrap containment can only be properly carried out if the furnace shell is properly maintained. The furnace shell consists of a refractory-lined bottom that helps contain the liquid steel, and typically, a water-cooled upper section that only comes into contact with scrap and slag. Heating and melting of the scrap are accomplished by supplying electrical energy through the electrodes, and chemical energy through the use of burners and oxygen lances. Transfer of the liquid steel to the ladle is accomplished by tilting the furnace and opening either a tapping spout or a bottom tap hole to allow the steel to flow from the furnace. It is apparent that many subsystems come into play throughout the tap-to-tap cycle. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system consists of a central reservoir, filters, an accumulator, hydraulic valves and hydraulic piping. As hydraulic fluid passes through valves in one of two directions, within a given circuit, hydraulic cylinders are extended or contracted to provide movement of various mechanical components. Without sufficient fluid flow and pressure, within a circuit, movement is impossible. The hydraulic system provides motive power for almost all electric arc furnace movements, including roof lower, raise, roof swing, electrode arms up, down, regulation, swing, furnace tilt forward, backward, slag door raise, lower, and movement of any auxiliary systems, such as the burner lance. Water cooling system. Another system that is integral to electric arc furnace operation is the cooling water system. Typically, there are several cooling systems. Some operations require extremely clean, high-quality cooling water. Transformer cooling, delta closure cooling, bus tube cooling, and electrode holder cooling are all such applications. Typically, these systems will consist of a closed-loop circuit, which conducts water through these sensitive pieces of equipment. The water in the closed-loop circuit passes through a heat exchanger to remove heat. The circuit on the open-loop side of the heat exchanger typically flows to a cooling tower for energy dissipation. The cooling circuit typically consists of supply pumps, return pumps, filters, a cooling tower cell or cells, and flow monitoring instrumentation. Sensitive pieces of equipment normally have instrumentation installed to monitor the cooling water flow rate and temperature. Lubrication system. Many modern furnaces have an automatic system that provides lubrication to various moving parts based on various events occurring during the tap-to-tap cycle. For example, some parts are lubricated every 3 roof swings, following tapping, and more. Some components, such as roller bearings, are critical to furnace operation and are lubricated periodically by hand. Some hard-to-reach locations are serviced using tubing and remote blocks. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video, with more detail about next part, auxiliary system of electric arc furnace. So please wait for the next part. If you are new, please subscribe and write your feedback in comment box. I will be surprised if you tell me from where you are watching this video in comment box. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn.